Good afternoon, everyone. This is Ed Harrison with the Pikes Peak Strategic Group and the Ameriplan Corporation. Welcome to our weekly education on dental care and so forth. Today, I want to talk about free cleanings. As a representative with the Ameriplan Corporation, I talk to many people each and every week about free cleanings, and a lot of this comes from the dental insurance side of the house. And if you go online, you're going to see whether it's Delta Dental or ARP or some of the insurance company, whether they're Metro Insurance or dental insurance, they are all talking about cleanings, and you can get those cleanings probably within the first few days. But let me explain something to you. What my dad told me many moons ago, there's no free lunch, ladies and gentlemen. There's no free lunch out there. So there's no such thing as a free cleanings. And you don't get free cleanings with our company either, the Ameriplan Dental Plus program. But the dental insurance, going back to that for a moment, if you're paying, let's say, an average of $75 a month for a couple, that's $90, $900 a year you're paying for those free cleanings they say you're going to get. And you probably get to come in every 6 months. So those cleanings are free because you have to pay those premiums each and every month. And if you need additional care, such as a root canal, white cleanings, or if you have young children or college age students and they need let's say orthodontics work, they need braces and these sort of things. And for a lot of these insurance companies, they don't even cover that, ladies and gentlemen. But with our discount dental program from Ameriplan, we cover it all, ladies and gentlemen. We cover it all. An example of a basic cleaning and examination with x-rays in your local community here in Colorado runs about $135. You'll pay about half of that if you go in for a basic cleaning with the Ameriplan Dental Plus program. So you're saving money there, ladies and gentlemen. And you can go to the dentist as much as you want. But with the other companies, and me talking about free cleaning, I just want to emphasize to you, please take the time to listen to this video over and over. Give us a call. And also, while you're online, look at all these different companies, whether they're Delta Dental or ARP, which is also Delta Dental. They contract with them. These cleanings are not free, ladies and gentlemen. So I want you to think about that. And with our Ameriplan Discount Dental Plus program, $19.95 for your entire household. Yes, I said for your entire household, which also includes a vision package at no extra cost. You can go to the dentist every month if you want with our program. And there's also caps and co-pays with the dental insurance. So once again, to sum up, ladies and gentlemen, there are no free cleanings, whether you get a discount program or you get a more expensive dental insurance program. So we want you to be educated. That's the purpose of this video. So please give us a call and ask for Ed or Bernard, and we'll be happy to talk to you about how we can save money for your entire household for $19.95. And once again, ladies and gentlemen, there are no free cleanings. Everybody has to get paid. So the information is at the bottom of this website. Please give us a call today. Thank you.